Hi, my name is Vidisha, and I was actually forced to attend this program by my dad because he said it would be useful when I have to manage my finances when I grow up. And turns out he was right. I very much enjoyed this program. It was engaging, and the activities we did and the worksheets provided to us, I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I highly recommend this program to others because it will definitely help you about how you have to manage your finances when you grow up.
Hi, my name is Avni, and I really enjoyed the Kfi Global program. It taught me a lot of useful things about how to manage my finances, and I was really worried about how I would manage my finances when I went out to university, but now I feel that I'm a lot more prepared to face the world.
Hello, I'm Aditya. I really enjoyed this session because it taught me a lot of stuff which is useful in life, such as in college life and university. I really recommend this course to every single student that I meet because it teaches others how to manage their money, how to budget, and also the pros and cons of debit and credit card.
Hi, my name is Anand, and I really enjoyed the Kfi Global program because it taught me the importance of handling my money. And I really enjoyed it because I finally got to understand why we should use credit cards and what are the advantages and disadvantages of using them. I would really recommend this to other students because it teaches you how to handle your money in a proper method.
My name is Daniel Basilio, and today I want to talk about the Kfi Global program. So initially, I had just come to get the certificate because I wasn't very interested in this. But after attending the program, I think that was definitely a benefit to me and an advantage to me that probably separates me from other students who would have not attended the program because it taught me a lot and it gave me insight on how to manage money in my college years and later on in life. I would like to recommend it to all students, and I think it was a very helpful program. Thank you, Emirates MBD, for the great opportunity.
Thank you, Emirates NVD, for this opportunity.
Thank you so much to Emirates NBD for this great opportunity.
Thank you.